welcome back to Classy Claws. I did a couple of new glitters. When I get new glitters, I put them on a pop stick and then just add them to my collection. These 4 glitters, I don't even have all the names for them, I'm really sorry. This is an NSI peach one that I kind of just randomly put in eBay, and it's already pre-mixed. It's lovely, and I think it's going to go really lovely with the Smash Peach and Heat Wave and all those new colours from CJP. Obviously this is just on a stick and it's, you know, on a clear pop stick, but I think if you use it over a colour, I think it's going to be stunning. So that was that one. This next one was a freebie from somebody and I've no idea, and it looks quite red in the pot, but it's actually like a nice pink, and it's got some, I think it's got some other colours in it. It's a bit holographic. That would be really nice. I might kind of use that over Christmas time maybe. So that was that one, and then there was another one which is the Delight range, Glitter Planet, I think. I've already got the green Delight. This is the pink Delight that I've meant to get ages and ages ago, and I saw it when I was getting something else not so long ago, and I thought, right, you know what, I'm going to get it. And then this green one, I was doing an antique, no I wasn't, I was doing a vintage rose nail and I needed some green glitter, and I got this off eBay, but it's got massive, great big chunky round pieces in it. I'm not sure I like it, to be honest, but whether it would work with something, I don't know. But when I did my vintage rose that you'll see, vintage rose in one of my other videos, I took all the great big chunky pieces out, but I left it in this so you could see. I'm sure it'd be useful for something, but it was a nightmare to cover with clear over the top because it was so big and chunky. Anyway, so I've done them. Now all I've got to do is label my pop sticks and then they can go with the rest. So I'm just going to cap all of these now, and then I'll buff them and then top coat them as well, curing my Sun 5 lamp for 60 seconds, and then they're done. And I try to do them as I get new products, because otherwise you can end up with so much stuff to do and it just takes forever. So it's better to do it as they come, if you know what I mean. As soon as you get them, do them, and then they're done then. That pink is absolutely beautiful. There's loads of nails that I could use that for. Anyway, little tiny short video. I said I'd put it on, have a little look, see what you think. Have a look at some of my other videos, and if you like my nails, please subscribe. And if you don't. And I will see you in my next one. Okay, thanks very much. Have a lovely day in this beautiful weather, and I shall see you all soon. Thanks very much. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.